Hello, friends, and welcome back to Auto Fix Zone. Are you tired of the check engine light appearing repeatedly, and every time you scan the vehicle, it shows a problem with the oxygen sensor? And after performing all the procedures that may sometimes even include replacing the sensor with a new one, the problem is still there? And in the end, all these efforts and expenses were useless? In today's video, we will learn the solution to one of the most devious and difficult problems you may face regarding the oxygen sensor. Stay tuned until the end of the video. The oxygen sensor, as we explained in previous videos, is one of the most important sensors that contributes to controlling the fuel mixture ratio inside the engine. Therefore, any malfunction that occurs in the sensor will directly affect engine performance. However, one of the most important and difficult faults that may occur with the oxygen sensor is the fault with code P0135, O2 sensor heater circuit malfunction. Here, we must be careful during diagnosis and fault code interpretation, because the problem here is not in the sensor itself, but rather in the electrical circuit of the internal heater inside the sensor. This specific fault has particular symptoms such as the check engine light appearing with code P0135, a noticeable increase in fuel consumption, especially during engine cold start until the oxygen sensor heats up from the exhaust gases, engine roughness and vibration at idle speed, especially when the engine is cold, due to incorrect air-fuel mixture adjustment as a result of incorrect signals sent by the oxygen sensor while it is still cold, caused by a failure of the internal heater of the sensor, which helps heat the sensor quickly so that the period of increased fuel consumption during engine startup does not last until the engine reaches its normal operating temperature. A bad smell due to raw or incomplete combusting until the engine warms up. Black smoke coming out of the exhaust sometimes. As for the causes of this fault, they are as follows. The heater reaching the end of its service life and failing. A break in one of the heater wires, which are usually two wires, one white and the other black, where one carries 0 volts, ground, and the other carries 12 volts. But what if we replace the entire sensor and also check the wires and the connector, and we find that all these parts are in good condition with no problems, yet we replace the sensor more than once and the problem still remains? Here comes the fault that many technicians are unaware of, which is the 12-volt power line that supplies the sensor heater circuit passes through a protection fuse, and here lies the problem, a blown fuse for the oxygen sensor heater. Therefore, replacing the sensor multiple times will not solve the problem because the issue still exists at the power source itself. If you want to locate the oxygen sensor heater fuse, you must open the fuse box cover of your vehicle and look at the diagram inside it for HO2 sensor up or down. This means that this fuse is dedicated to the heater of the upper or lower oxygen sensor. Here, the upper sensor refers to sensor number 1, which is located directly after the exhaust manifold, and the lower sensor refers to sensor number 2, which is located directly after the catalytic converter. By replacing the fuse with another one with the same amperage rating, the problem will be completely solved. Therefore, the next time the check engine light appears indicating a fault in the oxygen sensor heater, do not rush to replace the sensor before checking its fuse. If you liked the video, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification bell so you receive a notification for every new video. You were watching Auto Fix Zone. See you in the next video.